Hello everyone, I'm Hằng from Vietnamese School. Welcome to the series of I Sing With Me, Episode 1. Today we will have a big challenge with the song Sao Anh Chưa Về Nhà of the jungle singer ME. I will guide you step by step to sing the song. Slow down the melody, show you how to pronounce some difficult words so you can practice tones through singing too. So if you are ready for that, let's go ahead. Before starting, I have something to say to you. The purpose of this series is to help you practice pronunciation, so you don't need to remember the meaning of all the words in this song. But if you want to boost your vocabulary by this way, please go to my channel, click on 5 Minutes Slow Radio, and you will have more explanation about something we can learn from this song. So now, just follow me.
Trời đã gần sáng rồi mà nỗi nhớ anh vẫn còn ngổn ngang. Trời đã gần sáng rồi mà em vẫn ngồi hát lời thở than rằng anh ơi đừng giăng chơi, đừng mải mê những điều buông lơi mà quên đi rằng trong đêm còn có người đợi anh. Anh ơi ngoài kia bao điều mặn đắng, anh đừng lăn tăn về nhà thôi. Trời đã gần sáng rồi.
Thank you so much for joining me in this episode number 1 of the series I Sing With Me, and I hope that we can sing together more and more in next videos.